Okay students, I request you all to take out your moral formation reader, lesson number 4, Akbar and Birbal, page number 19. Now, circle time. When people do something wrong, do they think about the danger? When something wrong happens, does anyone think what is going to be the after effect, what will happen later on? No. Perhaps they think that no one will come to know of it. Perhaps they start thinking that no one will come to know about what mischief they have done. Sometimes you often do, yes, you'll either steal something or you'll create some problem, yes, but you'll think that no one comes to know about it. But often they get trapped in their own web, but you'll get trapped when you'll create some mischief, yes. Have you ever seen something like this happening? Relate the incident in class. Now, have you ever seen this thing happening? Now, let us listen to the story now. I request you all to listen carefully to the story. Look in your readers. Let's start now. Emperor Akbar has misplaced his ring. Now the Emperor Akbar, he has misplaced his ring. When Birbal arrived in court, when Birbal comes to the court, Akbar told him that I have lost my ring. Now Birbal comes in the court and Akbar says, I have lost my ring. It was very dear to me. The ring was very dear to Akbar. Because why was it very dear? My father had given it to me as a gift, because Akbar's father had given the ring as a gift to Akbar. Please help me find it. So he tells Birbal, please help me to find it, because the ring was given to me by my father as a gift. Please turn to the next page, children. Now let's see what Birbal says. Birbal said, you need not worry, Japana. So Birbal is telling Akbar, Japana, don't get worried. I will help you in finding your ring. I will find your ring right away. He thought a little and added. Now Birbal is thinking for some time. Now what is he saying? Your Majesty, the ring is here in this very court. Now what is he telling Akbar? The ring is lying in the court itself, and it is with one of the courtiers. Courtiers means the people who are over there in the court with Akbar and Birbal. The courtier who has a straw in his beard has your ring. Now he is saying the courtier who is having the straw in his beard, a straw in the beard, that courtier is having the ring. The courtier who had stolen the ring was shocked. Now the person or the courtier who had stolen the ring, he was shocked, and immediately he started moving his hands over his beard. Okay, he started moving his hand over his beard. This is a beard. This long hair portion is a beard, and he started moving his hands over the beard. Birbal had been waiting for. Now Birbal started waiting for precisely this reaction. He started waiting patiently for the reaction of the courtier who had stolen the ring. He immediately pointed out towards the particular courtier, and the ring was found. Now he immediately pointed out towards this courtier, and the ring was found. Now Akbar asked Birbal, how was he able to find the culprit? Now Akbar asked Birbal, how did you come to know that he is the culprit? Now Birbal said, Your Majesty, a guilty person is always scared. Means a person who has guilt in them. They are always scared. The culprit himself revealed that he had stolen the ring. Now the culprit, he himself says, I am sorry, I have stolen the ring. Is that clear, children? I request you all to read the chapter. The chapter is very interesting, and it shows that we should never rob anyone's things. Is that clear? See, Birbal was clever enough to catch the person who had robbed the ring. Is that clear? That's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.